Hi, my name is Duncan. I wanted to give you a quick tour of my new Mac app, Sparkle. Sparkle is a visual website builder. You place content on a canvas and move it around just like an illustration or page layout app. And Sparkle turns it in HTML and CSS. You don't have to worry about. So for this demo, I'd like to build a website about Ducati bikes. First, I'll add a video. You can add video to Sparkle by just adding a video component to the page and searching from within Sparkle. So I'll search for a Ducati Monster. This one looks good. Let's check it out on the preview. There you go. Okay, let's build something around this. Let's add a page header. For that, I'll add a white box to the top here and put a background image in. I have some images saved here. For example, this nice road extending to infinity. I'll make the image stretch to fill the contents, and I can size it nicely. Let's add a title here. Ducati Fun. Now I want to pick a font. A good way of choosing fonts is to filter by weights. In this case though, I want some extravagant font for my title. So I'll pick only title fonts. Let's pick this Alpha Slab 1. It's installed and I can select it from my font picker. Let's make it nice and big. Even bigger. And nice red color. This is my header title. Perhaps I want to add a logo. I saved one here. There you go. Can play around with visual balance. Let's say I want to make this look a little more modern, not distracting, and I can change the background blur. I can toggle the grid off so I can get more of a sense, or I can check it out on the preview. Here it is. Now let's make a second page. Make a blank page. Sparkle lets you replicate elements across pages. I just have to say put this on all pages of the site, and repeat this for the different elements. The second page has the same header elements. And if I change something here and make the font size much bigger, notice the other page updated as well. Next, I want to add some images to the second page. For example, these are a few from my friend Sebastian. The images will scale maintaining proportions. I'm working without a grid, but I could just as well work on the grid if I wanted. Okay, if we check out the preview on the second screen, you notice that on the wide preview the desktop website is shown. On the narrow preview, this is what an iPhone would see, which isn't ideal. Of course, an iPhone can scale it down, but we would like to have a specific layout. You do this in Sparkle by going to the Devices toolbar and adding a portrait smartphone. Notice that immediately the layout has been adapted in the narrow preview. However, it's been narrowed to a proportional sizing, which is not exactly what we want. So we can change the layout for mobile here and make the images really big, like that. Same for the second one. And maybe give the header a little treatment. So make the font much bigger. And tweak things around. And there you go. So this is what the website will look on mobile. And if you switch to the first page, the same thing happens here. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We will need your feedback. Please use this menu item to send us your document if you find any trouble. Thank you.